Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. The people that do my combining for my soybeans are here today. They actually came last night. It was just about getting dark when they pulled in. And they combined a little bit into the dark. They got probably about half done last night. And they were here this morning earlier and it was still a little bit too damp yet. So they kind of went and did some other stuff and now they're back here. It's about 1:30 right now in the afternoon. Been kind of a bad time getting a combine or getting the soybeans combine this year because of the moisture. We've had so much rain and stuff and not too many sunny days. Today is pretty good though. It's pretty nice and sunny out there and the wind is blowing a little bit, breeze out there, so it's drying stuff up pretty good. So I thought I'd go out there and see if they'll let us go for a ride in the combine, and I figured I'd take you along with me. It's a pretty big combine. I can't remember the model of it, but we'll get out there and we'll take a look at that when we get out there. But it's, if I remember right, it had a 30-foot wide head on it. So we'll go see if we can go for a ride. So come on along with me. This is the trailer they use to haul the grain head around because it's 30-foot wide. You can't go down the road with it. No hands. Hopefully it's not getting too much wind noise out here. It's pretty breezy out here right now. But I just wanted to show you how clean this comes out. You can dig through here and you can hardly ever find a bean. There's like, it cleans it up really well. It takes every bean out of there and throws all the trash out the back. And just does an excellent job. So, used to have an old gleaner years ago, F2, It never did this good a job. I could never get this close to the ground with it and stuff. Does an excellent job, this machine does. So anyways, when they're dumping this into the truck, I'm going to be over there and try to get some of that on video for you too. Well, thank you everyone for watching the Wisconsin Greg Show. I hope you enjoyed watching soybeans being harvested. And big thank you for Rob for taking us along. Rob's not a big camera person. He don't really like to get on the camera. But he does like to take us along in the combine. And he does like to watch our YouTube videos. So thank you again, Rob. And hope you enjoyed it. And we'll catch you on the next Wisconsin Greg video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye now.